Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can activate an O2 SIM or eSIM card in the UK, whether you are a new customer or switching from a physical SIM. So first of all, if you are using the physical O2 SIM, you just have to simply just insert it into your phone and you just have to then turn your device back on. In most of the cases, the SIM activates automatically once it connects to the O2 network. If you have transferred your number to O2, the activation may take a little longer while the transfer is being completed. Now, if you are activating the O2 eSIM, then you just have to simply open the phone's cellular and the mobile service option. Now inside it you are going to see the option of add eSIM, so you just have to select it. Then you just have to do nothing but to just simply scan the QR code which will be provided to you by, or you can just simply follow further on screen activation instructions which will be sent to you on your account or the email by O2. So once the SIM or the eSIM is installed successfully, you can restart your phone if prompted. And when the O2 network name appears, you can place a test call and enable the mobile data in order to confirm that the activation has been completed successfully. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.